Today I'm going to be showing you how you can create this very simple, easy, everyday bronze eyeshadow look. This is very easy to do. This is on days where I don't want to worry about anything going wrong and they turned out this amazing. So if you want to know how I can recreate this kind of look, then you definitely want to keep on watching. Today we're making this W7 Nudification Wear It and Wear It eyeshadow palette. It contains 16 shades of everyday looks and has some very lovely an amazing pigmented glitter shades in there. So we're going to be in this palette for today's look. Making use of this very flat and blendable brush. Like, I don't know the actual name, but it's perfect for blending, and I'll show you why in a couple of seconds. Making use of this undertone because it's the closest to my skin tone. So whatever shade you are working with, ensure that for an everyday look, you start with a color that is close to your skin tone for your transition shade that you're going to apply above your crease. I have hooded eyes, so for girls that have hooded eyes, you need to ensure that you're looking straight at your mirror or straight at your camera, whatever you're using to see yourself, so that you can see the exact point where your hood ends, and then you can apply your eyeshadow there, so that it's going to actually show. That's the point of this tutorial. Yeah, so because of this very flat dense brush, like I said earlier, and that is dense, going to pack on more color. I'm making use of it because of I'm going to work with a small surface area that's underneath my lash line. That's why I'm using that. I went back with the fluffy one to just blend out the color I had there under my brows. So making use of this rebel shade, it is so beautiful to look at, guys. It's so beautiful. It's so soft and very pigmented. So you know what I say about making use of a flat brush that is dense, makes you pack color on your brush. So if you're going with something if you want to use something that wants color to really show very well, you need to go with a dense brush. But if you want it to be blendable and soft, to go with a fluffy brush, basically. So I'm using this very dense, precise brush, the one I use for my lower lash line. I'm just using the flat part of it to just pack on this on my eyelid. After blending this to my satisfaction, I'm going in with this very angled brush that is very dense in the shade Center Fold. I'm using this approach shade because I want to give myself a wing eyeliner. So if you're new to makeup and you don't still know how to figure out your eyeliner, you can start with eyeshadow. It's very forgivable, and if you make any mistake, and easily clean it up with concealer, which I'll show you in the next couple of seconds. Yeah, so I'm just using this to just drag out the wing that I've already drawn from the center of my eyes, and you can go into you get the desired thickness that you want. I like myself very bold yet soft eyeliner wing. And since we are dealing with bronze and brown colors, this actual shade was perfect because I wanted it to stand out from the actual one we used for our crease, and applying it to my bottom lower line, my bottom lashes. What did I just say now? My bottom lash line is like make my eyes look a little bit much more awake, if that makes sense. Then just dragging it out to give it like a reverse eyeliner. Then this is the mascara I'm using. I like using a mascara because it makes my lashes look longer. It's totally optional if you don't want to do that, because here we are very accommodating. So I go with my Zero mascara. This is a tube mascara, meaning that it's very easy to get rid of if you want to clean it, and it's not missing the entire face when you want to clean it. So just taking my time to go through every strand of hair I have. And after going with my upper lashes, I go ahead to just do the same thing to my lower lashes. You can just play around with your lower lashes for now because you've not applied the concealer, so anything that I mess up can still be cleaned up. Do you get? So I'm just applying my lower lashes carefully. And once I do that, I'm going in with my concealer. I like using this guy because it comes with a brush in it, so it helps me to clean up the eyeliner that I did, the wing eyeliner that I did. You can see how I'm just using it very judiciously. Then making use of my beauty sponge. You can use your concealer brush or anything you use to blend the concealer usually to blend it, but I was going for like an everyday look, so I use a sponge instead of a brush because I want it to still look as natural as it could be. Because by going with the brush, to just leave everything there, but the sponge tends to absorb any excess that I've applied. And then I use the sponge to clean up my eye, anything that might have stained anywhere, and to give me the desired wing of my choice. And right now, I'm going in with my Real Techniques brush. I don't know, I can't remember the number. And then my setting powder to just set the concealer I applied there. So guys, I'm gonna have to finish the rest of my makeup, and this is what we are looking like right now. Which kind of eye makeup looks? This is looking for like everyday. You want to pair it with like an everyday lip combo. So this is the lip combo that I did for today. If you want to know how I got this lip combo, let me know below in the comment section. But this is the look we're having today. This took me less than 15 minutes, and that was I'm filming. If I'm not filming, trust me, in like 7-8 minutes I am done, because we don't have any lashes to worry about. So this is very easy. This is very not complicated, and if you're looking for like an everyday easy to do but very still amazing eye makeup look, then this is the one that you should wear. So save this video for next time and let me know what you think about this in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.